Hi, good morning or good afternoon in London. How are you?
I'm very well. I'm actually in Oxford, so but it's
Oxford.
afternoon here. Yes.
Thank you. You know, I lived in London actually for 3 years.
I didn't know that.
Yes, I lived in Golders Green and great place, great country, and I'm a huge fan of British.
Excellent.
Let me just introduce you as a world-renowned vaccine scientist. There is a new report on Ebola and this vaccine that has come out that almost close to 75 to 100% cure. As a lot of you know, more than 11,000 people died from Ebola and 28,000 have been infected. We covered this on national TV, on Fox News, and many other places. And from what I understand, this vaccine is out, and also Johnson & Johnson is also coming up with another vaccine very soon. What is the update on Ebola, and what is the effect of this vaccine on this deadly disease?
So this is extraordinary news. Just in the last day or two, we've seen the first results from any vaccine testing whether it works against Ebola. And frankly, the result could not have been better. It was 100% effective. Admittedly, in a fairly small number of people, there were 16 people in the control group who got Ebola. But in the people who had the vaccine, nobody got Ebola. So that's, at first sight, a fantastic level of efficacy and very promising indeed. And, what's so extraordinary here is that it's never been possible before to develop a vaccine after the start of the outbreak, get it to a stage where everybody is happy that it's safe to use in large numbers of people, in thousands of people, and then test it, in this case in the country Guinea in West Africa, and show that it's highly effective.
Can I ask you something?
This is fantastic news.
Of course, that's a great news for everyone. And what is the mechanism behind this vaccine that's so effective? Are they taking like a part of weakened strength of Ebola actually to increase the antibodies? Is that the same mechanism?
No, that's exactly what they're not doing, and this is really important, and it's the question you get asked most often. Is there any risk of getting Ebola from this vaccine? And the answer is no, because what's done is to take the gene sequence from one of the 7 Ebola genes and put that into a totally different vaccine. And therefore, the vaccine cannot give you Ebola. But what it does do is produce an immune response against Ebola, and that's how it works. So what you can do is measure something in the blood called antibodies, which are very important in preventing microbes getting into our system. And it's very likely that what this vaccine is doing is producing enough antibody to protect everybody against Ebola, at least in the month after vaccination.